that Dr. Salim Ali was one of the greatest contributor to the nature in our country, and he was known to the world about 35 years back. This area, this project is dedicated to Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. Since he spent his time more in Kerala also during the last 35 years back. Our commitment to nature, protection of nature. Now our motherland has undertaken the task to do the maximum for the cordial relation between men and nature. There are two theories in the world. One theory put forward by our country, India, that shows our ancient commitment, ancient our ideology, ancient our basic commitment that nature, eco-centric society in the world. Most of the other countries in the world, they are thinking that human-centric society, everything is for human beings. But our concept is that everything for all the creatures in the world, and everybody has his own space, and that is why our Prime Minister recently also declared that our commitment to the nature, we are not using the word exploit the nature. The only country in the world which is not propounding the theory of nature. Instead of that, our concept is nature and human beings are correlated each other, complementary to each other, and it is not contradicting each other. No contradiction is there.
बेटा पळोवपाची जी त्यांची इच्छा जाल्ली आसा आनी तितून करून पयलो मान हो आमकां मेळ्ळा चोडणा खातीर आनी हेका लागून आमी चोडणाकार म्हणजे मतदारांचे सगळे जनतेच्या वतीन हांव महामहिम गव्हर्नर साहेबांचे आभार मानता, तांकां वेलकम करता. तशेंच तेंच्या इच्छे प्रमाणे जी आनी कितें डेव्हलपमेंट आनी तेंच्यांनी सूचित केल्ले आसा ह्यो गोश्टी आमी गोंय सरकाराच्या वतीनसून आमी हांगासर इम्प्लिमेंट करतले. इंटरलँड टुरिजम हो आमचो एक ध्येय आहा आनी ह्या मार्फत गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन आमी आग्रह केल्लो आहा की हे इंटरलँड टुरिजम जें आसा ह्या ट्युरिस्ट भागा ह्या चोडण ह्या भागात हे जावचो असो आमचो संकल्प केल्लो आसा आमी आनी तेज्या अंतर्गत